In the beginning, it was me, the kids, a couple mini excavators, and watching videos and just going out and digging and doing some skill work like that. And the next year came in and we ended up with cat simulators, and that's the game changer right there. That's where the kids, they get involved with these exercises. They're learning a process and getting so much better. It's just leaped them way forward on their skill set. You know what's amazing is that the controls they're using are so realistic to them. When they sit into a real machine, it's like, oh, they've been here before, but they're all nervous about getting on one for the first time. And then when you see them every semester get into the capstone final exam where they're on the full-size iron, it's just, it brings goosebumps to you because you're watching 14, 15, 16-year-old kids and they look really proficient. I owe all that to in the simulators. The difficulty of some of the exercises, which forces them to get seat time. They accumulate 10 times where they fail something that's a 15-minute exercise. That's a lot of time on the machine and a lot of control familiarization. And they come out there on the real machine and they're rock stars. Now we are able with the simulators to get kids ready to go into the workforce. It gives the industry a chance, especially our local industry. They've seen these kids operate on the simulators. They've seen them on the real machines in the capstone exams, and now they know what they can do and they feel very comfortable putting them on machines to start with right away.